Today I'm making a really nice, easy and light recipe with you. Braised Savoy cabbage. This can be a great side dish or even a delicious and light main course. Prepare this simple delight. Let's get started with me. So, first of all, I clean the Savoy cabbage by removing a few of the more damaged outer leaves. Then I cut it in half. I make a nice cut and remove the core from the center of the stem. Okay, now I cut the leaves into thin strips. Careful, it's clear that what I'm cutting and using is not a Savoy cabbage, but a regular cabbage. Obviously, in this recipe, both are fine. Also because cabbage is often commonly called smooth Savoy cabbage. After that, the last ones, I cut them so I can put everything in a container and I rinse them well under running water. Very good. Now I finely chop the onion. Then I move to the stove and put the extra virgin olive oil in a pan. I add the onion. I just let it soften for a minute. Then I add the Savoy cabbage. Then I season with salt. By the way, since so many of you are watching my videos, but not all of you have followed the page or the channel yet, I invite you, if you like, to do it right now. I tidy up a bit. Then I add some boiling broth. After that, I cover with the lid and cook over medium heat for 20 minutes. As for the vegetable broth, you can make a very simple one by putting some water, a carrot, a stalk of celery, and a piece of onion in a pot. There's no need for a fancy vegetable broth. Then turn on the heat and let it cook for at least half an hour. If you want to save time, as I always say, you can use a vegetable bouillon cube. Very good. After 20 minutes, I remove the lid and add the vinegar. And without covering, I cook over medium heat for another 15 minutes, adding just a little more hot broth if needed. I remind you during this short break that if you can't find any of my recipes, you can visit my blog carlogaiano.net. Okay, we're ready. Now I turn off the heat, and before serving, I put the lid on and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Here we go. Now I'm going to serve. What a nice smell. Let's see. Wow, what a nice smell. Forget about a light dish. You need a kilo of bread for this. Wow, delicious. Even though it's a humble, simple dish, luckily it's light every now and then. Make cabbage like this and let me know what you think in the comments below. For now, I'll say goodbye. And as usual, before I leave you, I want to wish you a good meal. Oh my goodness.